Today I am going to say some important bits on the computer network in a digital assistant. See here, first one, the IETF standards documentation are called a dash. Answers options: option A RFC, option B RCF, option C ID, option D DFC. Here IETF standards Internet Engineering Task Force IETF is an open community that deals with the internet standardization through a series of official publications is called a RFC. That means request to comments. So option A is a correct answer. Second one, in the layer hierarchy, as the data packet moves from the upper to the lower layers, headers are dash. As we know that each layer adds its own header to packets from the previous layer. I explained OSI model in a network layer. The IP header is added over a transmission control protocol TCP header on the data package that comes from the transport layer. So the headers are added. The answer A is a correct answer. Third one, the structure or format of a data is called a dash. Option A syntax, option B semantics, option C struct, option D formatting. The structure and format of a data are defined using a syntax. As we know that in computer students, the programming languages that like C, C++, Java, syntaxes of the instructions plays a vital role to designing a programming languages. So the option A is a correct answer, syntax. Next one, communication between a computer and a keyboard involves a dash transmission. Options: option A automatic, option B half duplex, option C full duplex, option D simplex. Here, in case of simplex transmission, the data flows in a single direction, which in this case refers to the data flowing from the keyboard to computer. Here, half duplex, it is a the signal is our data is sent to the both directions but one at a time. So this is the wrong answer. Full duplex, both devices can transmit the signals at the same time. So this is also a wrong option. The correct answer is simplex. The another example of simplex is the computer mouse, where the data flows from the mouse to the computer only. So the correct answer is simplex. Fourth one, the first network was called a dash. Option A CNNet, option B NSFNet, option C ASANet, and option D ARPANet. Here, ARPANet stands from Advanced Research Projects Agency Network. It was the first network to be implemented, which is used to the TCP IP, that means transmission control protocols used in this network. This is developed by the 1969 in the year. So the correct answer is ARPANet. Next one, a dash is a physical layer path over which a message travels. Options: option A path, option B medium, option C protocol, option C router. Message travels from sender to receiver via physical path called a medium using it is a set of rules or methods called a protocol. Here the correct answer is a medium. The transmission medium is classified into two categories, are guided media and unguided media. So the answer is a medium. And next one, which organization has authority over a interstate and international community in the communication field? Options: option A ITUT, option B IEEE, option C FCC, option D ISOC. Here FCC is abbreviation is Federal Communication Commission. FCC is responsible from the regulating all interstate communities are terminate in USA in the year 1934. So the FCC is a correct answer. Next one, which of this is not a network edge device? Option A PC, option B smartphones, option C servers, option D switch. Network edge device refers to a host system which cannot host applications like web browsers. A switch cannot operate as a host but has a control device which can use to manage the networking communication, as we know that. So the correct answer is a switch. A set of rules that governs the data communication. Options: option A protocol, option B standards, option C RFCs, option D servers. In communication, a protocol refers to a set of rules and regulations that allows a networks of a nodes to transmit and receive the information. So option A is a correct answer. Next one, three or more devices share a link in a DAS connection. Options: option A unipoint, option B multipoint, option C point to point, and option D simplex. Here observe here, three or more devices. Here unipoint is nothing but only a one devices. Multipoint and two or more devices are connected. Point to point and only one devices are connected to point to point. Simplex is only a one direction here. So a multi-point communication is establishing when three or many networking nodes are connected to each other. So the answer is multi-point. The example of multi-point is a relay, Ethernet. Next one, in a computer network, nodes are dash. Options: the computer that originated the data, the computer that routes the data, the computer that terminates the data. Option D, all are the mentioned. In a computer networks, a node can be anything that is capable of sending and receiving the data. So the smartphones and networking nodes are examples. The correct answer is all of the above. Next one, communication channel is shared by all the machines on a network in dash. Option A broadcast network, option B unicast network, option C multicast network, option D any cast network. In a broadcast network, information is sent to all stations in a network. Here bandcast networking information is sent to the all stations of a network, but unicast is only share the information in specific station. The multicast network is sent to the group of stations. So the answer is broadcast network. Next one, Bluetooth is an example of dash. Option A, personal area network PAN. Option B, local area network LAN. Option C, virtual private network. Option D, wide area network. Here, Bluetooth is a wireless technology used to create a wireless personal area network for data transfer up to distance of 10 meters. It operates on 2.45 gigahertz frequency band of transmission. So, the answer is personal area network. Next one, a list of protocols used by a system. One protocol per layer is called a dash. Options: Option A, protocol architecture. Option B, protocol stack. Option C, protocol site. Option D, protocol system. A protocol stack refers to a group of protocols here that running concurrently that are employed from the implementation of the networking protocol side. So the protocol stack is an correct answer. Next one, networking congestion occurs a dash. Options: Option A, in case of traffic overloading. Option B, when a system is terminated. Option C, when a connections between a two nodes terminates. Option D, in case of transfer failure. Networking congestion occurs when a traffic in a network is more than the networks could handle. To avoid the networking congestions, the network management uses the various open loop and closed loop congestions control techniques. So the correct answer is option A, in case of traffic overloading. Next one, the functions of DSLAM is dash. Options: Option A, convert analog signals into a digital signal. Option B, convert digital signal into a analog signal. Option C, amplify the digital signals. Options D, de-amplify the digital signals. Here, DSLAM stands from Digital Subscriber Line Access Multiplexer. It is used by the telecast to convert the analog signals to digital signals from the purpose of providing the internet. So option A is the correct answer. Next one, IFC contains dash. Options: Option A, fiber cable. Option B, coaxial cables. Option C, combination of a fiber and coaxial cables. Option C, twisted pair cables. Here, HFC stands from hybrid fiber coaxial. Is a telecommunication industry. It comes from broadcasting networking. That combination of optical fibers and coaxial fibers, so it is used. So the correct answer is combination of optical fibers and coaxial fibers. Here hybrid means mixing of two cables. So the combination of fibers and coaxial cables are correct answer. Next one, the physical layer is concerned with dash. Options: Option A, bit by bit delivery. Option B, processing to processing delivery. Option C, applications to applications. Option D, port to port delivery. Here the physical layer deals with the bit to bit delivery in networking. The data until it a physical layer is in the form of bits. So the correct answer is bit by bit delivery. And next one, which transmission media provides the highest transmission speed in a network? Options: Option A, coaxial cables. Option B, twisted pair cables. Option C, optical fibers. Option D, electrical cables. Optical fibers is considerable to have the highest transmission speed. It runs on 1000 megabits per second. So the correct answer is optical fibers. Next one, the physical layer is responsible for dash. Option A, line coding. Option B, channel coding. Option C, modulation. And option D, all of the above. The physical layer responsible from line coding, channel coding and modulation, that is need from the transmission of information. So the correct answer is all of the above. Option D is a correct answer. Next one, a single channel is shared by a multiplexer signals by dash. Option A analog modulation, option B digital modulation, option C multiplex, option D phase modulation. In a communication and computer networks, the main goal is to share the resources. This is only resources is shared by in communication by using the multiplexing only. So the correct answer is option C. Next one, which of the following task is not done by the data link layer? Options: option A framing, option B error control, option C flow control, option D channel coding. Here channel coding is a function of a physical layer. The data link layer mainly deals with the framings. So the correct answer is D, channel coding. Next one, CRC stands for options: cyclic redundancy check, code repeat check, code redundancy check, cyclic repeat check. It is used to the CRC, cyclic redundancy check is used to detect the errors and identify the any errors but not corrected that errors. So the correct answer is cyclic redundancy check. Option A is corrected. Next one, the network layer is concerned with the dash of data. Option A bits, option B frames, option C packets, option D bytes. The network layer is concerned with, in computer networks, the data from the application layer is sent to the transport layer and it is converted to the segments. These segments are converted to the transport to the network layer and this is are known as a packets. So the correct answer is packets. Option C. Next one, which one of the following is not a function of a network layer? Option A routing, option B internetworking, option C congestion control, option D error control. In a OSI model, network layer is a third layer of the OSI model and it provides the data routing paths from networking communications. And error control is a function of a data link layer and a transport layer. So the correct answer is option D, error control. Next one, if 4-byte IP address consisting of a dash. Options: only a network address, only a host address, network address and host address. Option D, network address and MAC address. Here MAC is media access control. An IP address, we know that 32 bits long, that means 4 bytes. It is a composed of network and host, both are there. So the correct answer is C, network address and host address. Next one, transport layer aggregates the data from the different applications into a single stream before processing to it a dash. Option A network layer, option B data link layer, option C application layer and option D physical layer. The flow of data in a OSI model is, the 7 layers of OSI model is application layer, presentation layer, session layer, transport layer, network layer, data link layer and physical layer. So here network layer is the answer. Before passing the transport layer is network layer. Option A is the corrected. Physical or logical arrangement of network is dash. Options: topology, routing, networking and control. The correct answer is topology. Here topology is the way of interconnecting between a two or more devices is known as a topology. Next one, which network topology is requires the controller or hub? In a stat topology, all computers or devices are connected in the form of star and all these are connected to the central device, that is hub. So the correct answer is star topology. Next one, SONET stand from options: synchronous optical network, synchronous operation network, stream optical network, shell operation network. The SONET stands for, the correct answer is synchronous optical network. Option A is the correct.